Rear-end collision attorney in Queens, New York. Rear-end collisions dominate New York's accident statistics, especially on congested Queens streets like Roosevelt Avenue in Jackson Heights. New York Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 1129A requires all drivers to maintain a reasonable and prudent following distance behind the vehicle ahead. Queens courts typically treat a rear-end collision with a stopped or stopping vehicle as prima facie evidence of negligence against the rear driver. However, fault is not automatically assigned in every case, and the lead driver can sometimes share responsibility for the crash. The New York Court of Appeals ruled in Tutrani v. County of Suffolk that a front driver who stops abruptly or recklessly can be held liable. The rear driver can argue they were not at fault, but they must provide a non-negligent explanation to overcome the presumption. Accepted defenses include sudden lane changes by the lead vehicle, mechanical failures like brake malfunctions, or unavoidable road hazards. Rear-end collisions cause injuries ranging from mild whiplash to catastrophic spinal cord damage and traumatic brain injuries. Whiplash occurs when impact forces snap the head and neck forward and backward, straining muscles, tendons, and ligaments throughout the cervical region. Symptoms like neck pain, headaches, and shoulder stiffness may appear immediately or develop over the following days after the collision. Higher speed crashes can result in herniated discs, spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, and broken bones requiring extensive medical treatment. New York's no-fault insurance system provides personal injury protection coverage up to $50,000 regardless of who caused the accident. No-fault benefits cover necessary medical expenses and partial lost wages but exclude pain and suffering compensation and property damage. Queens rear-end crash victims can file a personal injury lawsuit only if their injuries meet New York's serious injury threshold requirements. Serious injuries include death, dismemberment, fractures, permanent limitations, or injuries preventing daily activities for 90 of 180 days. Queens attorney Keetick L. Sanchez has investigated hundreds of personal injury cases and represents accident victims throughout the borough. This law firm handles rear-end collision cases from Astoria to Jamaica to Flushing, working to recover maximum compensation for injured clients. Call K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC at 646-701-7990, located at 37-0682nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, to schedule your consultation today.